Hi there folks, I'm here in Southwest Florida, as you probably all know by now. We're at a listing that just closed today. It's located between Naples and Marco Island, and amongst all this madness with COVID, coronavirus, whatever you want to call it, this is one of 3 properties that's closing this week. This is, check out the setting. How would you like to be looking at that? Enjoying your breakfast or your margaritas at night. We have a few others, and we have another one across the road, the lake there that's closing tomorrow. But anyway, Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, brokered by eXp Realty, and we have other similar listings available, and we have virtual tours, 3D virtual tours on all our listings that you can view from anywhere, and we'll put a link up there. We have one that's very easy to remember, 239vt.com. That's 239vt.com. So if you want to check them out and let us know if we can help you. If you can't find what we have plenty of other ones as well. But anyway, Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, where we're after helping sellers to achieve full asking price on this property here in Naples. So reach out to us, Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team, brokered by eXp Realty. Alrighty, chat later, bye.